Threads is a new app by Instagram everyone is talking about, and while you may think it's too early to talk about the money side of it, some guys are already making money from it. Take this channel, for instance. In less than 24 hours, the app was launched. They made a video showing people how to download and use it, and as a result, they've gained 250K views in 5 days and made some cool cash doing so. If you do a quick search on YouTube about the Threads app, you'll see both big and small channels dominating the search result. And there is a channel here that has already made 8 videos on topics around Threads. I even made a community post here on my channel about this with some video ideas to target. And I know you may be wondering how they can post 8 videos so fast like this. Well, these are the types of channels that are known as search-based YouTube channels, and I'm going to talk more about them in a moment. If you've used the Threads app for a while, you'll know that it's actually a Twitter clone. And one way people make money on Twitter is with ghostwriting. This is basically you approaching brands and individuals to write tweets for them, and since many accounts on Threads already have an audience that were imported from Instagram, it means they'll need to post more content, which many of them won't have time to do. So your job is to either reach out to them directly and tell them you can write threads for them or use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. You can charge up to $1,000 per month depending on your expertise, and with these types of content, you can use ChatGPT or Bard to speed up your workflow. Speaking of Fiverr, the launch of Threads app means more gigs for freelancers to offer and more services to render to their clients. If you already have a gig relating to social media like Twitter or Instagram, you may want to get yourself familiar with Threads and edit your gig to include the keyword just like this guy did here. Also, if you are new to Fiverr and haven't made much money, you may want to jump onto this now before it gets crowded. Keywords like Instagram Threads, Threads Manager, Threads Followers, and Threads Promotion are already trending. And as more and more people join Threads, you should expect these searches to increase. And by drawing some patterns from what we know about Twitter and other social media, some gigs you can offer include setting up Threads accounts for brands and create content plans for them, or becoming their content manager and post threads for them for 30 days or more. If you later understand how Threads works, you can offer promotional services for people who want to grow on Threads. And gigs like repurposing content to Threads and designing graphic assets for this app is expected to rise. If you already have an audience on Instagram, you may want to join Threads right now so that your followers can start following you by the time they join as well. And this will create another traffic source for you to sell your products or that of others using affiliate marketing. And if you are new to both Instagram and Threads, this may be the right time to consider growing a following there. You can showcase your skill by posting content related to what you know like logo design, video editing, website design, social media management, and if people love what you do, they will reach out to you and ask for your services. If you don't have a skill to offer, you may consider creating Threads accounts related to a niche. There are hundreds of niches out there like finance, fitness, sport, or motivation, and if your content is good enough, people will follow you. What you need to understand is that whenever you build an audience on a platform, it becomes easier to monetize it, and the earlier you do that, the better. Moreover, if you are able to grow a following there from scratch and document your growth, you can teach others how to grow from scratch and sell this as a service or a course. You can check your Threads app and you'll see people already sharing how to grow on Threads, and I'm sure if their posts are good enough, people will reach out to them. Out of all the strategies I've mentioned in this video, one way that I know pays the most and offers the best form of passive income is YouTube. Both of these channels I showed earlier are simply creating how-to videos, which have the potential to get views for months and even years to come. Generally, there are 2 ways to do this. One is to show your face, record long videos, and design a thumbnail that stands out, and the other way is to record short videos, design a basic thumbnail, and stay anonymous. The latter can be created by anyone, and I mean anyone that has a smartphone and can show people how to do simple tasks while recording their actions with a screen recording app. You don't need to show your face on camera, and you may choose not to use your voice if you don't want to. Now I know what you might be thinking. These videos aren't getting as many views as I'll like to get. Just 55 views, 22 views, and those that are high are in the range of 3K to 8K views. Well, you may be wrong. The reason this strategy works is that it's not relying on YouTube algorithm to recommend its content to viewers on the home feed or suggested. Rather, it's the viewers that are actively searching for it. This is the reason why the thumbnails are basic, because someone looking to delete a post on Threads only cares about the information. And if you are able to rank high on search results, you can get views for years to come. This will make more sense when you check their most popular videos, And you see simple videos like this that you would think no one will search for getting millions of views. I mean, who doesn't know how to log out of their YouTube account or how to create an Instagram account? Well, many people don't, and that's why these videos are still getting up to 50 views per hour, even though they've been published over 2 years ago. And that is exactly what this guy is repeating with the Threads app in his latest videos because he understood the game. If you still don't believe me, you can check their About page, and as you can see, they've gotten over 120 million views. Looking at Social Blade, you'll see that they do get around 2 million views every month, which are usually stable compared to a browse-based channel. Their earnings are estimated to be $8,000 per month, but it is usually more than this based on my experience. I can keep going on and on, but if you want me to create a video where I break down this strategy, how it works, more proof that it works, who should do it, because I don't recommend it to everyone, example of channels all over the world doing this, examples of channels that are started this year of 2023 rocking this strategy, how you too can do the same with little or no skill, how you can scale it and even outsource it and turn it into an automation channel, then comment down below with the phrase, "Show me," and I'll do my best to create a video on it. If you learn 1 or 2 things from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Digital Scholar. Watch this video to learn how you can create YouTube Shorts fast, and thanks for watching this one.